For the first time in history, travelers have the opportunity to see what a volcano looks like on the inside. But first, Bjorn, let's hike. What are we doing today?
Well, we're going to take a short hike over the lava field over here, look at some smaller caves and see both new and old lava streams.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, that's quite common here in Iceland. Here we have this is formed by lava streams.
That's cool. You know what else I like? This. This is nature's trampoline right here, folks. This is awesome. So I just learned something new and interesting. The American and European plates meet in Iceland and they're splitting apart right now.
Yeah, this is an excellent example about how Iceland is ripping apart. We are moving to America. Well, at least this part.
This part's going to America. This part's going to Europe.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so we've arrived at base camp.
Yep.
And now it's time for safety.
Yeah. Now everybody puts on helmets and harnesses.
It's going to totally clash with my outfit, but we'll make it work. So I'm not exactly sure what all this says, but I'm pretty sure we're going into this.
That's right. So we're here at the top now, and now we're going 120 meters, or a little less than 400 feet down to the bottom of the crater.
Here we go! It's kind of intense, in a good way. Kind of speechless.
Yeah.
These formations look almost too perfect to be natural. It looks like a Hollywood set.
Yeah. Nature always surprises.
Oh man, this is just spectacular. Wow.
Yeah.
This was well worth the hike.
Yeah, this is amazing. The size, of course, it's the size and the height, and also the bright colors.
What do you want people to take from this?
Well, of course, just adventure and see how the plumbing looks like on the inside.
The real plumbing.
Yeah, the real plumbing, how it all works.
Thank you for the experience. This is a once in a lifetime experience.
Yeah, I'm happy that you liked it.
Tack.
Thank you.